Hey guys, Eric Collier, publisher, Great Lakes Scuttlebutt magazine. I'm excited to be down at FLIBS, the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show, right here in sunny South Florida. Raining a little bit now, but that's okay. We'll be out there in a minute. It'll stop. So hey, while I'm here, I'm kind of wandering around. I'm looking for some really cool things to report to you guys on, and I ran across a very good old friend of mine, Dennis Hamel. Dennis, how are you, sir?
I'm fine, Eric.
It is so good to see you as always. We've known each other for years. We see each other at these boat shows. You've got probably one of the coolest flooring products I know in the industry, NuTeak, Nautik Flör. Tell our readers a little bit about what your product is and how it can help their boat.
Well, basically, our product, like the flooring, is really unique. We produce it in Switzerland, but we're alone in the world. And the reason of that is it's the only one where the PVC that is hydrogel printed and protected with a 50% acrylic and polyurethane.
Basically, it's not going to fade.
No, it won't fade.
Okay.
It's also scratch resistant.
Nice.
And it's not only been used in boat, but also in commercial like hotel, restaurant, bars, offices.
Places with a lot of foot traffic that you would normally expect some damage to the flooring, but this is a hard enough product that it's not going to get damaged easily.
Yeah, it's commercial grade.
Yeah.
Then basically, on a boat, it comes in plank. This is the size of the plank. It click together.
Yep.
Then basically, like most people know, the click system, then it's easy to install.
Oh, nice.
And you can cut it with a razor knife and break it and glue it down. Then basically, it's a very, most people that have, sometimes they want to change a carpet in the boat after many years. They don't want to put back carpet. They try to look at solution. It's, I say that 90% of our sales are do-it-yourself.
Yeah.
People understand it. We still have people that can install it, but it is a product that we guarantee for 20 years. And up now, after about near 6 years in the market, this product is available in about 60 countries in the world.
Well, the neat thing I like about it is there's so many different colors and patterns, and no matter what you're looking for your boat, I mean, you guys have a solution for it. I mean, I really like the full variety, because you say is it a high-def printer that it goes through, so it can offer some really cool things? I know there's a compass rose over here.
Yeah, this, we did cut it, okay, just for the show.
Yeah.
But normally it comes print in a longer plane that is random.
Okay.
And believe it or not, this is 3 pieces. Then basically it's 3 plank that is insert while you do your floor.
Nice.
And random, okay?
Nice.
And now you come and you just put it together.
It lays out.
I can challenge you if you can make a compass rose within 30 seconds.
Not going to happen. So not only do I have the advantage of picking out the color type that I like, but I could also put imagery inside of this pattern as well.
Yeah, we can do custom logos. We can do custom. Naturally, it takes a certain time because it's print in Switzerland. We bring it. But if somebody wants the picture of their dog on the floor, whatever they supply us the file, we put it. And this has been also used a lot commercially for NuTeak floor. And it's up now after near 7 years offering this product. We are leading in the flooring for boat.
Well, not only are you leading in the flooring for boat, but you're very aggressive on pricing for this. And I don't mean to talk out of turn here, but this is affordable compared to some of the other guys that are out there. This is really more so your competitive advantage, I think.
Yeah. You know, the price, naturally, it's more expensive than the regular floor at Home Depot. But when we go in the NuTeak Marine, they are nothing comparable. And at the end, and not only that, is the longevity. 20 years warranty. If it's good for 3,000 foot traffic per day, it will last forever on a boat.
And will that warranty transfer on to a new owner?
But basically on our warranty it's 20 years. The floor, it's not.
Love it.
Like I said, at the end, it's no wood, no paper. It's only plastic. Then there cannot be any water damage. And when it's installed on the boat, naturally we suggest on the boat to be glued down. Because the boat move. It could be a floating floor if somebody wants to use in their home. Then up now after 7 years we didn't have any warranty issue.
I love it. I love it. So this is a different product?
Yes, basically, in fact, this product, we started in 2008 with NuTeak decking.
Yes.
The flooring came after.
Okay.
And only the last 2 years, we have improved the product, okay? Change, not the color and the style of the texture, because NuTeak always been recognized as the most authentic look of teak.
Okay.
When it's installed, people think it's real teak, they think it's real wood.
Oh, it's by far the closest thing to real teak that you can see.
Yeah.
So this is the product right here.
And many times we finish the hedge with a bullnose.
Okay.
And many people think this plank is a 1/2 inches, 3/4 of an inches of teak, but it was glued on a PVC board, okay? Then you cannot even see the seam.
Right.
And the NuTeak has already, like I said, the name is the most natural look. We very, very aggressive in pricing. Since now that the product is made in Canada,
Yep.
then we are pretty close to get. We can do any type of design. And again, we have people there around the United States, in Europe, in Australia, that sell NuTeak. We do some major project. And the product is 20 years warranty also. It's easy to contact us because this product wears a little bit different. Normally people will send us template,
Yeah.
or take one of our local guys.
That's really what my next question is. So if I'm interested in putting this, say I've got a small center console and I want to just tell you, okay, this is the kind of center console I have, can you send me the product off, and how do you know what to send me, the right shapes and forms, and do I just go out with some Elmer's glue and lay it down and hope for the best, or how do I go about putting it on my boat? If I'm going to do it, or do I have to have a professional do it, or how's that work?
Could be both ways, you
Okay.
know. Naturally, on larger boat, larger yacht, the owners like to have somebody that, you know, they can do it. But when we get to some smaller boat or some people that feel that they can,
Yeah.
normally the suggestion is they let us do the panels, okay? Then they send us a template, we build the panels ready to glue down,
Okay.
okay? We have template instruction, many people doing it, then there are different ways, okay? Either you use a professional to do it, one of our distributor installer,
Yeah.
or we can help you making the panels for you.
And you've got distributors and installers globally. I mean, you got a whole worldwide system network here, don't you?
Yeah, just 2 weeks ago, there were a region we were not covering yet.
Yeah.
It was South Africa.
South
we have
Africa?
Cape Town, and we have a nice distributor that have just received the
Next
product.
time I'm in South Africa, I'm going to look them up. But up in the Great Lakes, plenty of guys up there.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a lot of them advertise with us, NuTeak flooring
Yeah.
and Nautik flooring. So, okay, I want to get a hold of you guys. I want you to give me a quote on my boat. I want to do it myself, or I want to get in touch with one of your distributors, installers. Where am I going to go online, Dennis, to find out more information about how to get in touch with you guys?
Okay, basically, our website is www.icagroup.com.
Okay.
When you get to that website, you can redirect to NewTech website, to NuTeck Fleur website, and basically icagroup.com.
Okay.
It's where you can reach us, or our phone number. Our headquarters is in just south of Fort Lauderdale at 954-966-5400.
I love it. Dennis, thank you so much, my man.
Thank you, Eric. Nice to see you again.
ICA Group. Is there a hyphen?
Nope.
ICAGroup.com. Guys, you can find out more information about Nautik Fleur or NuTeak at ICAGroup.com. Check them out. You're going to absolutely love the product. ICAGroup.com. We'll see you out on the water.
Thank you.